Okay, I hope you're ready to start the project. I promise you it'll be fun, easy, and you'll be very proud of yourself when you're done with this. So part one is a little introduction on the how and why. So we're going to do these steps. We're going to open a crypto account with a wallet, somewhere for the buyer to put money for your NFT. Once we post it, if somebody sees it, they like it, they want to buy it, you need a wallet to put that money in because they're going to buy it with cryptocurrency. So after we get the wallet open, we're going to create an image. Now we're going to use an AI tool that's called DALL-E. And you give it a simple text command and it produces images that you like. You can also use a pre-existing image if you already have one. Then we're going to connect the NFT to the wallet when you post your NFT for sale. And finally, you get to collect your many millions of dollars. So, enjoy. Just kidding. Nobody's making millions of dollars on this. Not at least with this one little NFT, but if you come up with the right product, you could make the big time. For now, our goal is only to understand how to get started. If you find it valuable, you may want to continue with other NFTs. We've shown you the way to connect to a bank account because that's the best long-term way to connect and move money in and out of the crypto exchange. As you can see below, there are many other ways to move money into Coinbase, and perhaps one of them is more suitable for this project. It's up to you to decide. The easiest is probably PayPal, and the process is very simple.